looks like she's fixed the gremlins. And she's creating what we call the layup wake, something that she used to jump up, and that's it. Big no-handed no-stab there. And Emily starts a routine with that nice trick onto the hood. 180-degree bulldog, riding that ski Superman style, just steering it and turning it with her foot on the throttle there. Takes some skill to do this. Still on the hood, now back into the tray. One leg a stride, turns it 180 degrees, rides back the way she came. Nice 180 turn, back onto the hood this time. Riding it backwards, stands up. So riding backwards, stood up, and then one-handed. So we're looking for the amount of tricks, the difficulty of the tricks. Turns that ski 180. Nice what we call multi-jump, big jump over the front there. So drops the ski round, tail into the surf. Jumps up onto the handlebars, propels herself forward over the top with her foot on the throttle. Not her hand, her foot. Again, makes a layup weight this time. What's she going for? Goes for the big throw. Throws that ski round 180 degrees. Maintains control, back into the tray, rides it out. 180-degree turn there from Emily. Putting a lot into this routine. Goes for a barrel roll, just inverts it. Does she ride it out? Yes, she does. Just about rides it out. Going for the big aerial barrel roll. Remember, these are stop skis these guys are riding on, these guys and girls. That's it. The red flag has gone up. Nothing else scores.